Welcome to our car racer game from scratch using JavaScript exercise course, where we're going to explore how to create a custom JavaScript car racing game using only JavaScript. This is the perfect practice exercise to get more familiar with using JavaScript. There's no libraries, no shortcuts, all just JavaScript. And best of all, source code is also included to get you started quickly. This is step-by-step learning with all of the steps in order to build out this game from scratch included. It's a fun and exciting way to learn and practice JavaScript. Learn how to set up the gameplay, HTML, CSS, add JavaScript event handlers, introduce actions with keyboards, run animation frames, change elements, manipulate elements within the web page, and a whole lot more. All of the gameplay functionality, including things like collision detection and a whole lot more, are included within the course, showing you how to build this out. Try it out for yourself, jump right in and start building out your own version of the game today.